Hello dear students. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 2, that is Meena and the dinosaurs. Here we start with the chapter. Meena was very excited. Mother had taken her to watch Jurassic World. There had been an enormous scary dinosaur in it called Indominus Rex. Many times Meena felt really frightened, but she could not take her eyes off the screen. She had even forgotten to ask for popcorn. Now, this chapter is all about the story based upon dinosaurs and their types. In this story, there's a girl named Meena and was a very small girl and very much excited about the dinosaurs and its family. She was very much awaited and enthusiastic, it means energetic, about the very big creature which lives billions years ago. One day, she went to a movie theater with her mother to watch movie Jurassic World. She was very much excited about the movie. Even she didn't ask about the popcorn and the cold drinks during the movie. She liked the movie very much. As soon as she reached home, Meena ran to her grandmother. "I wish you had come with us," she said, "but don't worry, I'll tell you all about the dinosaurs." As soon as when she came home, she told all the things to her grandmother, and she was surprised that grandmother also reading a book which is related to the dinosaurs. But Meena said, "Don't worry, grandmother, I'll tell you each and everything about the dinosaurs." "Grandma took me to watch Jurassic Park many years ago," said mother, smiling. "Maybe she can tell you a little about them too." Then mother said, "Grandma took me to watch Jurassic Park many years ago, and maybe she can tell you a little more about them too." "Oh, you must," Meena pleaded. Here, pleaded means requested. It means Meena requested, "Oh, you must." "Yes, sure." Sitting close to grandma, "I want to make a chart about dinosaurs for the science exhibition at school. I'll never find anything more interesting. What was the name of the dinosaur in Jurassic Park?" Then she sat close to grandmother and said that "I want to make a chart about dinosaurs and I want to show in my science exhibition in the school. Please, grandma, tell me each and everything and small details about the dinosaur and its family and also their types." Then "There was quite a few of them," said grandma. Then grandmother said, "There were quite a few of them. I only remember Tyrannosaurus or Velociraptor. Perhaps we can watch the film one day." Then grandmother, with a smile on the face, said, "I only remember two of the dinosaurs named Tyrannosaurus and Velociraptor. Perhaps we can watch the film one day." Meena agreed to this plan in great delight and sat quietly for some time, thinking about what she had seen and what was going to. Grandma had been reading a book before Meena came. She started reading it again, but she knew that her little granddaughter would have more questions about the fascinating animals. And sure enough, after a few minutes, Meena asked, "Were all the dinosaurs so huge?" Then grandmother said, "I'll be reading for some time. You sit quietly here and then I'll explaining you each and everything." That grandma knew that Meena, so much curious child it is, and she want to know all the things about dinosaurs. Suddenly, after few minutes, Meena asked to grandma that dinosaurs are so huge. "Most of them were," said grandma. Then grandmother said, "Most of them. Even the one I am reading about here is enormous. Even which I am reading just now in the book, is enormous. That means huge. That means big. Enormous means big and huge. You are reading about a dinosaur. Meena jumped up, and after listening this thing that grandmother is still reading a book regarding the dinosaurs, then Meena jumped in and said that you are reading about a dinosaurs. Is it Indominus Rex? What book is it? कि क्या ये Indominus Rex है? And what book is it? Then grandmother said it is called The Lost World and is written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And then grandmother said it's a book named Lost World and which is written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Grandma said, "It is your favorite book, isn't it?" she asked Meena's mother. "You are right, Ma. It is," said Meena's mother, smiling. Then she asked to Meena's mother, "It is your favorite book?" Then she said, "You're right, Ma, it is." "Did Sir Arthur Conan Doyle meet real dinosaurs?" asked Meena. Then again Meena asked to grandmother, "Did Arthur Conan Doyle meet real dinosaurs?" "I don't think he met any dinosaurs," smiled grandma. Then with a smile on her face, grandmother said, "I don't think he met with any dinosaur, but this story is about some people who did." But here is the story. It was about that some people met with the dinosaurs, and no, they did not meet Indominus Rex, but they do talk about some other Jurassic animals like Stegosaurus and Pterodactyl, and they did not meet Indominus Rex, but they meet some other Jurassic animals like Stegosaurus and Pterodactyl. These are the species or the different types of dinosaurs. Like one is Indominus Rex, other one is Stegosaurus, Pterodactyl, here Tyrannosaurus, Velociraptor. These are different types of dinosaurs. Jurassic animals, you mean animals that lived in the Jurassic Park? Jurassic is the name of a certain time period millions of years ago, explained Grandma. The animals like dinosaurs that lived on this earth at that time are called Jurassic animals. Is this a story about millions of years ago then? Asked Meena. Now Meena again asked the question that animals live in Jurassic Park. Then grandmother said, "It is the name of a period of millions of years ago." Then grandma says that no, only 100 years ago, Professor Challenger and his 3 companions set off on a trip to South America to find out where the dinosaur still lives there. I'm reading the part where they see a family of iguanodons. A whole family. What did they look like? I'll read it out to you, said Grandma, and I'll make it a little simpler. Here, in this paragraph, grandmother said or explained to Meena that here I am reading that part in the book where Professor Challenger set on a trip to South America with other 3 companions and then see a family of iguanodons. A whole family, what they look like? This question says Meena, the whole family, what did they look like? Then grandmother said, I'll read it out to you and I'll make it a little simpler, and means that I'll explain you after that. So grandmother read. There were 5 of them, 2 adults, 3 young ones. They were enormous. Even the babies were as big as elephants, and the 2 large ones. Then grandmother explained her. There were 5 of them, 2 adults, 3 young ones. They were enormous, that means huge, and even the babies are so huge or so big as elephants, and the 2 large ones were far bigger than any creature I have ever seen. It means that smaller children are big as an elephant, and the big ones are that far bigger than any creature I have ever seen. They had slate-colored skin, which was scaled like a lizard. It shimmered where the sun shone upon it. All 5 were sitting up. They balanced themselves on their broad, powerful tails and their huge hind feet. They had 3 toes on their hind feet and 5 fingers on their front feet. Then grandmother explained the features of the dinosaurs, that they have slate colored skin and which was scaled like a lizard, it means lines like a lizard, shimmered, it means shining where the sun shone upon it, where sun shone on the dinosaur it shines, or the body shines. All 5 were sitting up, and they are sitting like that, they are up, they balance themselves on their broad powerful tails, they sit on their tails and their huge hind feet means the legs of an animal which are at the back, that back feet are called hind feet. They had 3 toes on their hind feet and 3 toes on their hind feet and 5 fingers on their front feet. With their small front feet, they pulled down their branches. They looked like monstrous. It means so big that they were frightening kangaroos, 20 feet long, with skins like black crocodiles. This paragraph is all about the details of the dinosaurs. I do not know how long we stayed still looking at this marvelous sight. A strong wind blew towards us and we were well hidden so the animals could not see us. And because the grandmother told the story about the Professor Challenger and 3 friends, then I do not know how long we stayed still, कि हम यहाँ पे कितनी देर तक और यहाँ पर रह सकेंगे. Looking at this marvelous sight, a strong wind blew towards us, कि तेज हवा चलने लगी and we were well hidden, और हम सब छुप गए so the animals could not see us, ताकि वो हमें नहीं देख सके. From time to time, the little ones played round their parents awkwardly. They jumped up into the air and fell down on the earth with a dull thud. The parents seemed to be endlessly strong. When one of them could not reach a bunch of leaves on a big tree, he put his front legs round the trunk and tore down the trees as if it had been a sapling. It means from time to time the little ones played round their parents awkwardly, कि वो अपने parents के साथ time to time वो खेलते हैं. They jumped up in the air and fell down on the earth. Parents seemed like endlessly strong because the bigger ones are far bigger than any creature, so they will be very strong. And when one of them could not reach a bunch of leaves, जब वो कुछ bunch of leaves तक नहीं पहुंच पाते थे, then जो parents हैं उनके, he put his front legs round the trunk and tore down the trees, और उनके लिए वो उसको नीचे कर देते थे. And that if it had been a sapling means a small young tree, तो उनके लिए वो एक छोटा सा पेड़ बन जा. Meena had been listening wide-eyed to grandmother. All the story, just Meena listened with a wide-eyed, as grandmother said, as mother came in with grandma's tea, and just by now mother came in the room and with the grandmother's tea and said, I know where we must go for my science project, Ma. Then Meena said to mother, I know where we must go, कि हमें कहाँ जाना चाहिए for my science project, Ma. Toward Jurassic Park, said mother smiling, and mother said, toward Jurassic Park, now we should go to South America. Then कि अब हमें कहाँ जाना चाहिए, South America जाना चाहिए to watch the Jurassic Park. This is all the chapter about. I hope you understand properly and just try to learn the question answers and complete your work. Thank you.